What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruce Wang. In today's video we're gonna go over Robinhood Challenge episode, I think it's 14 now. Yeah, 14. I've been going really strong with these challenges. Every single week I've been depositing $100 into my bank account and I've been trying to grow my Robinhood portfolio as much as I can. Unfortunately this week, or last week I should better say, has been a very bad week. Last week was the worst week of my investing, and let's just jump right into it and I'll show you. All right, so right off the bat, you can see that I have $1,483.55 in my portfolio. That is how much I've invested. Robinhood last week, they updated their app, and so the user interface looks a bit different on my iPhone. So I've invested that much, and if I go to my profile here all the way on the right side, you can see that my buying power, I have $22.07. So they don't include that together now. All right, so like I said, last week was my worst week ever in the stock market, and let me show you exactly why. I'm down $63 from this past week, 4% of my portfolio. If we look at the month, down 21. 3 month is $25, and for the year I'm down 20 bucks, which is 1.3% of my portfolio. And overall I'm down 24% all time, which is about $470. But I do not count all time because this was when I was penny stock trading, and penny stock trading is very difficult, not for the faint of heart and not for newbies to try. So I don't recommend that at all. But let's stick with the day look just because it's green. First, right off the bat, I have some free stocks to open. I'm gonna open them right now. Thanks to Michael. Let's see what I get from Michael. So let's open this stock right here on the right side. One stock of Ford. I think this is the first time I got Ford, and this is actually the highest value of a stock I've ever gotten, which is $8.45. I have just a few more to open. Thanks to Kevin, I got a reward. Let's stick with the right one since I'm doing so good. Oh man, come on. So I got Groupon, which is worth $3.10. So thanks to Kevin and Michael. Let's stick with this right one again. And I got one share of Snapchat, which is worth $5.70. So thank you, Michael. Snapchat was added to my portfolio. Groupon was added to my portfolio, and Ford was added to my portfolio. First thing, right off the bat, I sold all my cryptocurrency. So I just had a few bucks in crypto. I had some Bitcoins and some Ethereum on my portfolio here. So let me show you my history real quick. In my, as you can see, December 17th, Bitcoin limit sell. I sold all my Bitcoins at 3,410 bucks for a total of $7.74. And I also sold all my Ethereum at $90 and I received $7.72. So right now I am officially out of the crypto market on my Robinhood account, but that really isn't saying much because that was only worth less than a percentage of my portfolio. Let's move on. So like I said, all my stocks took a very hard hit over the last week, and today is the first green day of the week. A lot of the stocks are starting to rebound a bit. Let me show you total returns here. I don't think I've ever showed you guys total returns for my portfolio, but let's just take a quick look down my portfolio right now. As you can see, all the stocks that I received from referrals are in the plus, but most of them are in the negatives. Like I have 2 shares of Ford. I bought 1 share and I received 1, so I'm down $1.67 there. Let me just show you my biggest losses so far. BPY, I'm down $4 overall. APLE, I'm down $1.70. For O, which is Realty Income, this is a very great REIT to purchase potentially. I received a total of $7.13. So this was one of my more premium stocks that I bought. Moving on, CARA is a pharmaceutical company. I'm down $13.55. That I took a really big hit on that one. Here we go. ZG, which is Zillow. I am down on the day, not much, but overall total returns is negative $22. There's been a lot of things going on with this company, and because of the federal interest rates rising, I think a lot of real estate stocks in general will be affected. So I think that's why I received a negative 20. Down negative almost $23 on this stock alone. And my beloved SPHD, I'm down $26.50. So this was a very big part of my portfolio. As you can see, portfolio diversity is at over 30%. My average cost is $41.34. And right now, each stock is worth $39.13. So dividend yield is supposed to be 4%. Profit expense ratio is 15.75. There's not much news coming out with this ETF, but I think when I do have a chance, I'll be buying more just to dollar cost average my way down. And when it does rebound, and hopefully it does rebound, I will see some gains there. As you can see on the 5-year chart, it's been steadily rising. So this might just be a bit of a correction, but I'm still optimistic about SPHD. Also very long on SPHD. And those two are the stocks that I got the biggest hits. I took the biggest hits from though. So a total with these two, it's $50 already, as you can see. And on my watch list, obviously I do not have anything. So earlier this week, Robinhood upgraded their Robinhood app. And let me just show you around the new Robinhood app. This is something new that Robinhood implemented. It's called the cash management system. Previously, it was known as their checking and savings account, but they got a lot of criticism from social media and everywhere else in the mainstream media that it was suspect. So they changed the name to cash management. I got in on this really early. I think I signed up maybe a few hours when it offered. So right now I'm sitting at 69,734 in the placement for this cash management system. So like I said, Robinhood was offering a free checking and savings account, and on their checking account you would be making 3% annually on your savings. So if you invested $1,000 at the end of the year, if you did not move anything out of that account, you would be. And there was a lot of criticism with that. And after I think 1 or 2 days of the promotion, they just straight up took it out. And this is what we get now. They changed it to a cash manager. Haven't really updated this at all in the past day. Moving on, the search history is a bit more intuitive now. You actually have a button here on the dashboard at the bottom where this actually looks familiar. They didn't change this part where you have the news at the bottom. You have the top movers at the top, popular collections right here in the middle. You can browse through whichever stocks that you can right here. This is the VOO. And at the end, is your profile. You can invite friends. You can get up to 2x your buying power here. I don't recommend this for newbies. Don't do that. With this margin trading, you're just playing with borrowed money, and if you're a newbie, you're not gonna know what to do with that. Moving on, you can browse their most popular collections of stocks from Robinhood, and they also included this: learn how to invest on Robinhood. If you're brand new to this investing in stocks, I recommend you guys to check this out. View Investing 101. It gives you everything that you most frequently asked questions here, I think. And yeah, just go over that. I went over it even though I already know how to invest a bit. Yeah, that is it for all the updates so far. And if you guys want to invest in stocks and you're just brand new, you can use my link in the description to get a free stock when you do sign up with Robinhood. As you saw in the beginning of my video, I had 3 viewers sign up and they got their free stocks. I'm not sure what they got, but you saw what I got. Because of that, you can get stocks like Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook. These are the more rare stocks. I've never received one of these yet, but you have a 1 in 150 chance of getting that. These are the more, you're more likely to get a stock from Energy Transfer, GE, Snapchat, Ford, Groupon, such and such like that. Those are a lot more common stocks, 1 in 300 chance, but you will get a free stock 100%. Just use the link in the description and you'll be helping me out and you'll be getting a free stock. So it's a win-win situation there. So to close off this episode, I just want to say that the stock market, I've researched, it goes around in a cycle, and it does seem that we are in some type of decline here. Like I said, in the past week, I've been hit really hard. I think I lost 4% of my portfolio, and for the whole 3 to 4 months that I've been invested this year, I've seen almost 2% down on my whole portfolio, but there was a lot of volatility in between those 4 months or so, so I was able to make some gains on a lot of stocks, and I've also lost a lot on some of my stocks, as I did show you. But I'm still looking to invest and continue this Robinhood challenge. And if you guys liked this video, please hit that like and subscribe button to see more. If you're brand new to the channel and you made it all the way to the end, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to, I'm looking to promote my Instagram more on my YouTube channel because Instagram is just another extension of the channel, another extension of myself. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in another video next time. Bye.